Hello everyone, this is Deepika here. I'm from ActoCoiner. So today I'm going to demonstrate the QuickBooks integration from source to report. I will explain how data comes from QuickBooks into Microsoft Fabric and how the process is done using medallion architecture, which consists of three layers such as bronze, silver and gold layer, and then finally how we build reports in Power BI. So on the screen you can see the reports which have been done using the Power BI. This is the overview report, this is the vendor bill analysis report, and next invoices and payment report, and this is the inventory report, and then next finally comes the service analysis report. So these are all completed, these are all done using the Power BI. So now I'm gonna explain you that how the process has been done from source data extraction to the end Power BI reports. So here we can see that this is the Microsoft Fabric interface, and we have created a new workspace for this project. We can able to see that here we have the types of artifacts such as notebooks, warehouse and lakehouse, etc. So using this it will be helpful us to store, transform and visualize the data. And then next comes how data comes from QuickBooks to the bronze layer. So the data has been extracted using API connection from the QuickBooks. Through this has been done using the secure API authentication. Once the connection has been established, the data is loaded into the Lakehouse, that is bronze layer, as a raw data. So here we can see the all the raw data tables which is in the bronze layer. So these are all the financial data which has been extracted from the QuickBooks as it is, whatever the data it consists of. And then next we can go to the silver layer. Here in the silver layer we will do the transformation of the data. That means cleaning the missing values, whatever the null values, duplicate values, all whatever are there in this layer, that has been making the data into a standardized format. Then the report becomes into a structured, and that will be ready for the reporting. And next comes the third layer, which is gold layer. In this gold layer we will be creating fact and dimension table, where dimension table consists of categorical data, and fact tables consist of numeric and transactional data. These are all the tables which have been transformed into fact and dimension tables. So next, going to the report again, we can see the overview of the complete data, like a number of items, number of inventory types, sectional wise. This is the complete interface, which is user friendly interface. And then in the vendor bill analysis also we can see the bill amounts, balance, and paid versus outstanding amount, payment method types. And then in the invoices we can see the number of invoices and the payment status, due percentage of the customer, and paid percentage of the customers, revenue that has been paid, and the balance to be paid. And then next comes the inventory, how much inventory has been left over till date, and then how many are sold out. Here we can see the complete status of inventories, and here comes the low stock alert data. These are all comes under the inventory page. And then next this is the services page. According to time analysis, this has been designed, and we can see the time wise revenue also. This has been calculated hourly. The total distribution according to the bill status, and types according to the what type of services the customer have been providing, and how many hours have been taken by a customer. So this is all the overall view of this analysis and the report that have been created from source to report.